Hello people, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable developer options on your Samsung Galaxy A15. This hidden feature unlocks extra settings that are mainly used for testing apps, adjusting system behavior, or enabling USB debugging. Go to the Settings app. The Settings app is where you control most features of your device, including connections, privacy, security, and Google services. Now scroll down and you see the About Phone section and tap on it. This page contains detailed information about your device. Next, tap on Software information. Here you will see several details about your phone's software, such as the Android version and build details. Look for the option called Build Number. Now tap on Build Number repeatedly, usually about 7 times. After a few taps, your phone may ask you to enter your screen lock password, PIN, or pattern for security. Enter it to continue. Once verified, you will see a message saying that Developer Options has been enabled. After that, go back to the Settings menu and scroll down. You should now see Developer Options listed there. Open it to access advanced features like USB debugging, animation controls, and background process limits. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.